Hello friends and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on linear arrangement. Here the given problem is 7 Nobel Prize winners A, B, C, D, E, F and G are to be honored at a special banquet. The winners will be seated on a stage in a row. A and G have to catch a flight and must be seated at the extreme right. B will receive the Scholar of the Year award and so must be in the center to facilitate presentation. C and D are bitter rivals and therefore must be seated as far as possible. Now the given question is, which of the following pairs cannot be seated together? C and F, B and C, D and A, E and A. So to answer this question, let us go statement wise. There are 7 Nobel Prize winners and the first given condition is A and G have to catch a flight and must be seated at the extreme right. So just at the extreme right, A and G will occupy the position. Here A and G, it is not given whether A is on the extreme right or G is on the extreme right. So they can interchange their position, but their position is fixed at the extreme right. B will receive the Scholar of the Year award, so must be seated at the center. Okay, B is at the center. Here let us say this is the central position. 3 will be on this side, 3 will be on this side. C and D are bitter rivals and therefore must be seated as far as possible. So now they are at the extreme right. So only these 4 positions are left, 3 position on this side, 1 position on this side. C and D are bitter rivals, so they must be seated as far as possible. So out of these 4, these are the as far as possible condition. C and D, they will occupy these 2 chairs. Only 2 chairs are left, so these 2 chairs will be occupied by E and F. So like this, all the 7 Nobel Prize winners are accommodated. Here it is shown by different colors, means A and G, they can interchange their position. C and D, they can interchange their position. E and F, they can interchange their position. So now to answer this question, which of the following pairs cannot be seated together? Let us go one by one. C and F, because here E and F, they can interchange their position, so C and F will be together. So option A is not the answer. D and A, D is here, A is here, but A can interchange his position with G, so A can occupy this position also, so D and A can be together. B and C, B is here, C is here, but C can interchange his position with D, so C and B, they can be together, so C is also not an answer. E and A, A is here, even if A changes position with G, A can be here. E and F, even if they interchange their position, E and A in any case cannot be seated together, so answer is D. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook.